Damas y caballeros, we are Prodigy Duo, and this is our Workout Wednesdays.
But before you get sweaty with us, this is what you should do.
Today we will be sharing with you some tips on how to keep the correct form while doing a push-up. We all love this exercise because it is super easy and very effective. Let's get on our mat so we can show you how it's done. Before you start any exercise, it is very important that you warm up. Injuries are not fun and we want to avoid them. These are some stretching exercises that you must do. Push-ups are great for building upper body strength, and if they are done correctly, they can also improve your core. Let's start in a push-up position. Make sure your head is aligned with your cervical spine. Align your shoulders, elbows, and wrists in a vertical position. Squeeze and engage your abs and glutes. Keep your knees straight and your ankles flexed. Your elbows should be pointing diagonally as you go down. You want to move using a full range of motion. Don't forget to breathe. Let the oxygen reach your blood. Breathing at the same pace can help you to keep the rhythm of your workout. If you love this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us all through social media. Thank you for watching and enjoy your workout.